Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Horton C3726-1. This is a single rotary knob switch. Will include obviously the switch, the wire lead, a couple of screws to fasten, and then a wiring diagram. I have one removed from the packaging here so that we can take a closer look at it. Okay, so it's going to have three basic functions other than off, clearly. It's going to be able to have two-way automatic, just standard operation. It'll have hold open. It'll obviously have off, and then just one-way exit. And that's how you're going to control what is occurring on the door via how the controller is allowing the rest of the door to operate. Okay, so some basic dimensional properties of this item. The faceplate, and this is just mullion mounted is what I would call this, or jam mounted. Overall height, about 4.5. Overall width, about 1.75 inches. The length of these leads, let's take a look and see what that length is. Do this. I would say that the length of the leads are right at about 30 inch, let's say, times 4, so about a 10-foot long length of the wire leads that is occurring here. Now, the two screws that are listed or included, obviously, will allow you to install that down to the jam post. The link below this video to the wiring diagram, that's going to allow you to see, what the purpose, what the definition is of all of the wires. And let's take a closer look at that. And what we'll do is we'll switch to, actually we'll just take a look at it here. I have it pulled up right here in front of me. Sorry. Okay. And it is indeed included. You can view that being linked down below. Okay. And as we take a closer look at this wiring diagram, it'll be here where we're going to see our green, white, red, and black wires. Green, black, red, and white. Following it back here. Okay. Over to the controller. 13, 14, 15, and 16 are the terminals. Jumper 15 and 16 if no remote switch is used. That would make sense. Okay, so a common item to sell. Switches are very common. Why? Because, back in the old days when you had a physical knob that had gears made of teeth on your TV and you really just turned those too quickly, I know I was guilty. Switches fatigue, they fail, they break with enough use. Generally, when we have a client call us for a switch, it'll be from a grocery store, a convenience store, a hotel, obviously, probably the largest type of client, and it's just years of use, just every day setting that switch. They do break, like anything else, will fatigue and fail with time. There's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Horton products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the Horton C3726-1, single rotary knob switch assembly, or any other Horton product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.